All right, today we're going to bring a table fireplace. Now, tabletop fireplace. This is very simple to set up. Now, the whole thing comes with a little bag. Very, very compact. So if you're going to go to the park, this is perfect. Now, I forgot to mention that there's little legs here in the bottom to keep it above the actual table itself, all right? Now, one important thing is that you could twist this off, all right? So you could throw any kind of charcoal leftover stuff that you have in there. You guys can see they automatically, not automatically, but you have to twist them in there, and that's pretty much it. There's a lid in here. So this is meant for, it's like just like a larger one. It's meant to actually ventilate the air and actually push the fire to the top and keep it away from the ground and keep it where it's going to need it. So we're going to put this to use and see how beautiful it looks at night. So let's go ahead and do that. Fire is really warm. This is perfect for a tabletop. The fire goes straight up. Nothing to the side. Is all concentrated to the top, all right? Nothing on the bottom's coming out. Everything seems to be on the top, all right? So that's pretty much how it works. Setting up was easy. Put pieces of paper on the bottom, the wood on the top, and look at this. It just catches on fire right now really quick because air ventilations on the bottom helps it out. One important thing I forgot to mention, that the smoke goes straight to the top. It doesn't go to the side or to the left. It stimulates the actual fire and get it started. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.